back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I'm back with another unboxing tutorial of my Lookfantastic beauty box. And this month's box is March's box, which comes in this pretty packaging. Given that it is International Women's Day in March, the theme of the month is women empowerment. On the box it says, women are unstoppable, tough, powerful, confident, tenacious enough, which ends up saying women are strong. So to go with the whole women empowerment theme, the colour of the box is pink and red, which you kind of expect. And yeah, let's open this box. As usual, we have 6 items in the box and we have our editor's note. On the editor's note, it also highlights the empowerment issue. I'm just going to flip through some pages to show you what the inside looks like. As usual, the Edit magazine contains the editor's note and it's got some articles as well as a highlight of the top 4 products in the beauty box. These are the editor's top picks and now we'll go through these in our box. The first product we have is a styling cream, and this can be used on straight or curly hair and it's supposed to add shine and protection to hair. Next we have a refining skin polish by eSpa. This is an exfoliator which smoothes the appearance of your skin. Then we have an Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. I haven't tried this oil and I'm curious to see what it smells like, as facial oils with essentials can be a hit or a miss. So in this oil you can definitely smell the black seed. It smells really familiar. I'm just going to apply a couple of drops on the back of my hands to see how smooth it really is. 1 drop of this can go a really long way. It is so moisturising. Like, it seems to be penetrating quite well on my hands. I did have dry hands. Next we have a Star Skin Lip Mask. This plumps and hydrates your lips and it contains vitamins and coconut extract. On the back it tells us how we apply this mask. We leave it on our lips for 10 to 15 minutes and then we can apply lipstick or lip balm over it, and it gives us a tip saying that perfect as a primer for lipstick and gloss. So this is exciting. We also have an eyeshadow brush by Lovia, and this is a detailed shader brush. It's also vegan and cruelty free and it's in the number 308. And finally we have a mascara by Revolution. So these are all the goodies I have received from my Lookfantastic beauty box, and on the website it says that the beauty box is worth over £61, and I recalculate this and it comes to a sum of £61.70, so I can confirm this. Now this brings me to the end of my unboxing tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care for now and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!